Okay, we are still studying realistic fiction, and we are going to study it through the book Hachiko Waits. So Hachiko Waits is actually based on a true story. Let's talk about some of the characteristics of realistic fiction. So for realistic fiction, the story's setting is the real world. The story can be imagined or based on a true story and partly imagined. So parts of the story can be fictionalized. In Hachiko Waits, the story is set in Shibuya, a section of Tokyo in Japan. Realistic fiction has a narrative structure. So hopefully all of you remember what a narrative structure means. The story has characters, a plot, a setting, a theme, and a problem and solution. And that is a picture of the real Hachiko, who the story is based on. Realistic fiction stories tell the reader about relationships between people and sometimes animals. So in the story we will begin today, we will learn about the relationship between Professor Ueno and his dog Hachiko. Realistic fiction represents diverse people and cultures. So we are reading a story that takes place in Japan. The main character, Professor Ueno, is Japanese, and you'll also see that there are a lot of words in Japanese in the text of the book, and there is a glossary so that you can look up those words. So we're learning about some different aspects of Japanese culture while we're reading the book. And realistic fiction explores bigger themes like friendship, loyalty, and loss. So the author of Hachiko Waits sends the reader meaningful messages throughout the story. Okay, I'm really looking forward to reading this story with you guys. It is a story that I love from Japan, and there's a lot of different versions of it. So I was very excited when I saw this book in our read aloud set, and I hope that you enjoy it.